Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a hyperpop beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to get started with making a hyperpop beat. Basically guys, there are two ways we can do this. The first way guys is to find a pre-made track we have right here in GarageBand and then start editing it based on our likes. So we're going to go right here into the upper left corner, click on the live loops. That's going to enable us to access this section where we can find all the pre-made tracks such as hip hop, we have EDM and so on. Maybe some of this can help you, but what we want to focus on is the sound library option right here. The sound library is going to open up this new store where we can find all the packs we can access, and here a lot of options can help you. We have the 8-bit Legends pack that may help you for making your desired hyperpop beat and so on. A lot of options right here such as alpha waves, backlight, bounce and so on that may help you get your desired effect. But guys, if you do not want to use anybody's pre-made tracks, what you can do is click on done and we can go back to the track section right here to make it from scratch ourselves. So guys, to make a hyperpop beat, you're going to be using your keyboard a lot, you even may be using the drums to add some snare effects and so on. So what you're going to do is go ahead and find the instruments you want to play, tap on them one by one and get started recording yourself. This is going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording and so on. So once you're finished with recording your tracks, in the upper left corner you're going to go ahead and be able to click on this option right here, which is the edit mode, opening up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks we have recorded. Now we can get started adding our desired effects, placing them how we want and so on to get our desired beat. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next for watching, take care and bye.